soft short fur. Let's try that. See if I can do something with this. Oh, that's better. Maybe you go with a white. Change the opacity. Okay. Let's try the hair brush. That's better. Getting them little tufts in. Just going along the top edge, just making it a little bit lighter, see? Right, now on the crown, on the first dip, in between the first crown, just highlighting it a little bit. Let's go back in with some purples and push it back. That's it. We're getting there. A little bit of lightness. Bit of lightness here. The fur brushes do help, but also you've got to be wary of where there are some little patches of one particular colour, light or dark. There you see. We're getting there, we're getting there. Should we do a little bit with the nose? It looks like I've left the nose alone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my favourite soft blend brush. And I'm going to go in with a blue, so let's get a nice turquoisey light blue. Right there, look, see? And let's just maybe play with the light we can see here, look. There we go, look. It's got a lovely little bit of yellow there, look, see it? So let's put that in. Right. Let's put that little bit of yellow in there. There we go, there's two little sprigs of yellow, see? It's probably the reflection from the eye. Yeah, that's what it is. Let's go with some orange, some dark orange. That's it. Oh, look at that. Right. So I'm getting a bit of a reflection of the eye there. Let's go in with some white. You can see like a little W of white. You see it? Underneath the nose. Okay. Right, I'm going to need, let's try some, let's be bold. Shall we be bold, boys and girls? I think we can be bold. Do you know what I'm going to do? First of all, I'm going to put in a blue with my studio just on the bridge of the nose. See? It's on the top. Bringing it down a little bit above the nose. Okay, then I'm going to go with a lighter blue, turquoisey blue, bluey blue's better. And then I'm going to go in with some fur, short fur. Try this wavy fur. If that does anything. It needs to be. Oh, that's quite interesting. Look. Me do like that. Let's go more light. Oh yes, this is nice. Good choice, Jen. Thank you. Oh, right. Let's just work on that. Let's just smudge some of this darkness into there. Get work on the bridge of that nose, look. That's up, see? I've got my little finger brush. And all I'm doing is just smudging in. Magic, you see. There we go. That's doing lovely. Let's get some white. I want to try some of this short. That's better. Short fur, see? There we go, look. I'm starting to get a little bit of shine. I can see a little bluey just underneath this side. Look. Let's go in with a brown just along here, look. And I'm just redefining this crease, see? There we go. Oh, getting there. Highlight to that nose. A little bit of height to the dark bits of the nostrils. Hey? Let's go with a blue. love this Ukrainian colours that I'm getting here between the two eyes. Let's just put in some dark patches. That's it.